Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, July 21st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday, and the US dollar came in number one on Friday, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis from the euro dollar from Friday, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did just have some pretty big news coming out about Biden. Biden did decide that he was going to drop out of the presidential race for 2024. Now, normally if the market does think that the Republicans are going to win, that is usually very, very bullish for the stock markets and especially the indices. And it's normally pretty bearish for things like the US dollar, which would actually cause the euro dollar to be bullish. Now, that doesn't mean the dollar is just going to open up and drop and this is just going to go to the sky. But on the higher time frames, I would kind of lead me to think that the euro dollar uptrend is going to continue and that this really is actually like a three-wave move down for an A. This move up is possibly a B, and we may already be in a wave C for like either a running flat or an expanding flat correction to the bigger uptrend on the higher time frames, which I still suspect could be a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.